In Investing 101, men's wallets tend to be fuller than women's. One study shows the gender gap could be costing women more than $1 million during the course of their entire careers. And some of it has to do with the fact that men are more actively investing their cash stash. With more on that topic, we have Mindy Yu, the Director of Investments at Stash, to share insights from a new report and talk about the gender investing gap with us. Thanks so much for coming on our show. What can you tell us with this study?
Yes, the gender investing gap is something that's really important to discuss because, number one, women are earning less on their investments compared to men. And it's really because of the fact that women are just not investing. And secondly, the gap is widening because women tend to live longer. So they have to stretch their earnings out further. And then secondly, and third, women are actually earning less than men, so they have less to contribute to their investments over time. So these are the factors that are widening the gap, and this is why we have to be in the forefront of promoting and encouraging women to start investing.
What are some tips to get women actively investing?
Yeah, I think it's to think about how we can support each other, have those conversations. You know, women have not been exposed to investing personal finance at a young age compared to men. Our recent study that we conducted at Stash showed that 70% of men have been exposed to personal finance at a young age compared to women, only 54%. And, that really resonates with me because that holds true when I was growing up. And having those conversations is important to empowering and encouraging women to start investing and start learning about investing.
What would you say are the barriers or top misconceptions when it comes to investing?
In our same survey that we conducted, we found that the top 3 barriers women had were, number one, they felt women needed a lot of money to begin investing. And second, they believe investing is too risky and they're afraid to lose money. And third, they just didn't know where to start. So a lot of these barriers that were created have been removed over time because we have platforms like Stash that makes investing affordable, easy, and we provide personalized guidance. That way it can help you get started. And then also we can help you navigate the volatility that happens with the market. And we want to work towards building your financial future.
Let's get some help out there. How can women get started with investing today?
They can visit our website for a lot of resources at www.stash.com/owning it. There's resources there to get started.
Well, thanks so much for the information, Mindy, and for coming on our show.
Thank you, Angie.
This is First AM. Check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.